In the world of construction, where precision and efficiency are crucial, one name stands for innovation and quality: Stehr Baumaschinen GmbH. For decades, we have been developing and producing machines that set standards. Our machines are more than just tools. They are the result of engineering expertise, experience, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every component, every detail is designed to ensure maximum performance and reliability. We understand the challenges construction companies face daily. That's why we offer solutions that are not only efficient, but also sustainable. Our technologies make it possible to complete projects faster, more cost-effectively, and more environmentally friendly. Behind every Stern machine are people who work with passion and expertise. Our employees are our most valuable asset. Together, we develop innovative solutions that give our customers a decisive advantage. Stehr machines are in demand worldwide and are successfully used in numerous countries. This underscores the quality and versatility of their products, which are suitable for various construction projects. The combination of cutting-edge technology and German quality has made Stehr construction machines a sought-after product internationally. Stehr relies on the latest technologies to develop powerful and efficient machines. The worldwide demand for Stehr machines is proof of their high quality and reliability. Construction companies rely on the durability and performance of these machines to efficiently complete their projects. Stehr Baumaschinen has earned an international reputation for its specialized machines. These machines are used on construction sites around the globe, highlighting the versatility and adaptability of Stehr products. The fact that the machines are used in countless countries illustrates the high demand and trust in the Stehr brand. The internationally applicable credit reform credit certificate CREVOSAT confirms Stehr Baumaschinen's excellent creditworthiness, impeccable business conduct, and a positive outlook for the future. We received this for the years 2021, 22, 23 and 2024.